Hello and welcome back to another episode of Cult 42. I am your host Jithin Kumar CV, joined by the ever insightful Vishnu Kavungal. In our last episode, we explored how generative AI is revolutionizing creativity. Today, we are taking a closer look at the types of generative AI available in the market and, of course, their pros and cons. Vishnu, ready to dive in?
Absolutely, Jithin. Generative AI has come a long way, and there are so many fascinating tools out there. Let's break it down.
Let's let's start with the basic, Vishnu. Could you walk us through the main types of generative AI models people are using today?
Sure, Jithin. At a high level, generative AI can be classified into a few types based on their primary function, like text generators, image generators, audio video generators, and even code generators. For example, let's take text generator. These include tools like ChatGPT, GPT-4, and Jasper AI. They are designed to produce human-like text, assisting in content creation, customer support, and more. Now, image generators. Tools like DALI, Midjourney, and Stable Fusion. They are creating stunning visuals from the text prompts. Audio generators. Tools like Jukebox or Amber Music, which compose music or create voiceovers. As the name suggests, now video generators. The platforms like RunwayML, Synthesia are creating AI generated videos for marketing and training purpose. Now the tools like Codex, GitHub, they are code generators. They assist developers by generating codes and also help them with debugging.
That's a great overview, Vishnu. These tools are transforming industries, but they are not without their challenges. Let's discuss the pros and cons for each type. Tools like ChatGPT have made waves. What are the advantages here?
The biggest pro is efficiency. Writers, marketers, and educators can save countless hours. These tools also make language more accessible, I would say, breaking barriers for non native speakers.
And the downsides?
Misuse top the list. These tools can generate fake news or spam content. Also, while they are powerful, they lack true understanding, which can lead to inaccuracies.
Absolutely. Let's talk about tools like DAL-E. They have democratized art, right?
Absolutely. Anyone can create professional quality visuals without formal training. This is great for small businesses and even for individual creators.
Okay, and what is the flip side?
Flip side, I would say ethical issues like copyright concerns and potential misuse of AI generated images for deepfakes or misleading visuals are major drawbacks.
Exactly. And AI music composition is a game changer. Your thoughts?
It's revolutionary, Jiten, especially for indie creators who can now compose music tracks without a studio. But the downside is the lack of emotional depth in AI composed music. It is not quite at the level of human creativity yet.
Absolutely, Vishnu. Video generations feels futuristic. What's the biggest benefit?
Scalability, I would say. Brands can create multiple video ads tailored to different audience in minutes. But like with images, ethical concern, especially with deepfakes, are there.
Finally, code generation tools like GitHub Copilot are a boon for developers. What's your take on it?
They are fantastic for speeding up development and reducing repetitive coding tasks. But reliance on these tools can lead to sloppy practices if developers don't verify the code.
Vishnu, it seems like every type of generative AI has both transformative potential and significant risks. How do we strike a balance?
Education and awareness is the key. Users needs to understand this tool's capability and limitations. On the industry side, I would say clear regulation and ethical guidelines can help mitigate the risks.
Totally agreed. Generative AI is here to stay, and it's up to us to use it responsibly. That's it for today's episode. To our listeners, what's your favorite type of generative AI and how do you use it? Let us know in the comments or on our socials. See you next time on Cult 42.
Take care and keep exploring the possibilities of AI.